Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Rockstar to your Steam or vice versa, okay? So please open up your Steam account right here. Now I'm going to teach you how to play those Rockstar games that you love so much on Steam. So first things first is open your Steam account, okay? This should be the Steam landing page, and then direct your attention on the lower left side corner. As you can see on my screen right here, I'm gonna click this one open. Okay? Once I click this one open, I can see that add a non-Steam game, activate a product on Steam, or browse the Steam store for games, okay? So I'm gonna click on the first option, add a non-Steam game. Now Steam is gonna check my library on my PC if I have a non-Steam game or a Rockstar game. So basically I'm just gonna browse through the game right here and look for the specific game I wanna add. So I'm gonna browse here and look for a Rockstar game. So as you can see, if I can't find it directly here, you can just browse or click it right here. But if you can find it, for example, I'm gonna type in GTA. If it's not showing up, then I can just browse it right here or simply click on Rockstar Games Launcher. Okay? For example, you can find Rockstar Games Launcher right there, and then just go and browse, click browse right there. Look for the file path of your Rockstar and then just add it up. Click add selected programs and you're good to go. And that's how you add your games to your Steam from your Rockstar account. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one, okay? Goodbye for now.